The Gearco check-in procedure is simple. From the home screen, click the Room Search navigation button. Select an available room in the data grid by clicking on it. Click Check-in on the toolbar. From the check-in screen, click the Select Guest link. This brings up the Guest Search screen. In the Guest Search screen, you can search for and select guests by name. Or if it's the guest's first time at your location, click New Guest on the toolbar. In the guest profile, there are 3 items that must be completed: identity, such as a driver's license number, first, middle, and last name, and gender. Then click the Save Guest Profile button on the action bar. This returns you to the guest search screen. Select your new guest by clicking the name in the data grid, and then click the Select Guest button on the action bar. This returns you to the check-in screen with the new guest listed as the primary guest. In the check-in section, type in the number of nights, number of adults and children, and the time of check-in. In the availability section, review room type and rate plan. If you need to sell a custom rate, change the rate plan to manual. The check-in journal section shows the rate and current balance. And if the guests are staying for a week or longer, you can choose to waive the deposit. Click the Add-ons link to sell add-on items such as parking or an extra rollaway bed. In the Payments section, if you are required to take a payment, click on the Select Payment Method link and click an option in the data grid. Let's select Visa. Enter the amount to be paid. Note that the amount cannot be less than the current minimum due, the last 4 digits of the card number, and the expiration date. In the Notes section, enter room notes, folio notes, guest notes, or any notes you'd like to include on the printed receipt. Click Complete Stay on the action bar. Click OK in the confirmation window to verify. The guest's folio receipt appears and may be printed by using the Print button in the upper right corner. Once you return to the room search screen, you can now locate the guest you just checked in.